We got it.
I love it.
Very
good.
Got the heart there on Instagram.
Yeah, I tell you what, this is one of those Snapchat things that we put all the dogs on it.
What was the name of that artist who did that animated jig?
Kelly. Dude, I just recorded it.
Oh, I don't think it's necessary.
There are so many buttons.
I would keep everything at auto.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Make sure the f-stop is, going.
Auto, M is for auto.
Sorry, hey, John?
Much better.
John?
Yeah, I'm not John.
Sorry, which one of you is
I
John?
don't know, I think one of us is Ben.
There's definitely a Ben. I think I'm Alex, though.
No, you're Ben. I'm Alex. John?
Present.
You're John.
Listen, Melly, Kelly, John. Girl, what is it you needed?
I just haven't been paid yet, so I was hoping I could get my paycheck today.
Yeah, I think you got to talk to Nancy or Kelly.
Kelly's so hot. Not to be problematic.
I'm just running late for this appointment, and it would be great to
Great work
buy a
today.
away or something.
Look, I got to go look at these dailies. A quick turnaround with this thing.
Okay. Well,
Much better. I got to go.
I got a UTI, so going to 2020.
I have to vote in the 2016 election.
okay, sorry.
My name's not John. No, you can't be paid. Actually, also, miss your therapy appointment too while you're at it. Whatever.
Excuse me, do you know which way east is?
Easton?
The east side of the park. Sorry, my phone died, and I'm not really sure which way to go.
Okay, go down the road right here.
Okay.
You have,
No, the Manhattan Bridge goes into Manhattan, so that would be west. So east would be that.
Yeah, okay. Any good trees around there? Just kidding. Yeah. You guys into the whole photosynthesis process or what?
Love the whole thing.
It's a good process.
his name's Winston.
Hi, Winston. Sorry, I'm dressed up like a tree. He might think I'm a real tree, right?
Yeah, you don't want him to actually,
Pee on me or something.
Well, congratulations, man. You've graduated from therapy. Give yourself a pat on the back.
Can't do anything without your phone. Can't do anything without your phone. You guys like my song? Are you guys green, would you say? You know, like environmental. Those aren't green. Like, that couple is cute. Look at that couple over there. They're in love, for sure. It's gonna be fine. You'll find your way. You'll find your way out. Is this like a date?
No, I don't know. I don't know what it is at this point.
Sorry, shouldn't have asked. Do you think your dog would say hi?
She's totally cool.
She probably thinks I'm an actual tree. You know what I mean?
She's a. I would say if she's a boy, she'd pee on you, but she's not going to because she's a girl.
Oh, really? Girls don't pee? Oak, redwoods, sequoia,
Conifer
aspen.
Oh. Tell you what they look like.
Maple, weeping willow. Love those. Apple, crabapple, cherry, hemlock, fir, sassafras.
Oh yeah.
Redwood, elm.
Birch.
Birch, I do really like birch. Fir, mulberry,
Yeah.
schnozberry, blueberry, redberry, pines, there's all the pines. Birch, did I already say that? So those are all good trees in my opinion. Hey, it's a cute dog. I bet he thinks I'm a real tree. No, don't want to hurt yourself. Don't. No. Jen, could I borrow your toothpaste? Thanks.